A 4-in-1 tool under $30 at the moment with thousands of fans. The Bonsenkitchen hand blender might just be your next kitchen favorite. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender Series. Today we're unboxing the Bonsenkitchen 4-in-1 Immersion Blender. You get a lot in this set, so let's break them down one by one. First, we have the instructions. It's short and clear, telling you exactly what to do. And next is the blending stick. It makes up stainless steel. The quality is pretty premium and durable, not flimsy at all. Sharp looking blade here. It has 4 prongs, also stainless steel. Around the blade is a metal guard. The guard has wide openings, ready for flow, and it won't trap too much food inside. As for the extras, there is a whisk, a food processor, a mixing beaker, and a lid for storing leftovers. And here's the main unit. It's powered by a 500-watt motor and features up to 20 speed options. I like how simple it looks, no complicated controls, just 2 buttons on the front and a speed dial on top. Turbo is here. It gives instant power. Hit it when you want things done fast. For anything else, set the speed you want with this dial and then press the top button to get started. I will turn the blender on to see how fast it runs. But first we need to attack it with the blending stick. Simply light up, press them together and you're ready to blend. Super easy. Okay, let's give it a run. Well, the coil lost enough and the blood had 2 prongs. The blender started up smoothly. Pressing the button felt natural, while turning the dial gives you full control. You can go slow or strong depending on what you need. Honestly, that felt way better than expected. To really see the power, we'll need to try it on some fruits. So, fruits in. But before your first use, don't forget to clean the attachment with soapy water. The handle was comfortable and the blender was stable during use. There are no suction, no splashing, super strong motor. You can see the full start blending almost instantly. The result turned out really nice. It's smooth, silky, with no visible chunks. That's a good blend. I like it. That's the Bonsenkitchen 4-in-1 Immersion Blender Unbox. We'll test out soon, so don't forget to subscribe for the full review. Thanks for watching Shouldit, and see you next time. Bye!